Merry Christmas, a little Christmas poem for my crafty friends. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. Some craft supplies as presents that will make my projects complete. Make my craft wish come true, but all I really want for Christmas is glue. Tacky, clear, that holds fast and true, that sticks paper, lace, and cheesecloth too. I've got my digis, cardstock, ink in the printer too, but all I really need for Christmas is glue. Come on, Amazon, send it quick, won't you? A cropadile, tear ruler, and eyelets too. I'll find a nook or tiny corner for it, I promise you. So Santa, please don't delay. Send me my Elmer's, E600 and Fabritac too, because all I want for Christmas is glue.